Get ready for the dictation. Start. A copy of the proposed order has been sent in draft to the society or each of the societies concerned. The registrar has considered and made such modifications in the draft order as may seem to him desirable in the light of any suggestions and objections which may be received by him within such period, not being less than 2 months from the date on which the copy of the order as aforesaid was received by the society, as the registrar may fix in that behalf either from the society or from any member or class of members thereof or from any creditor or class of creditors. The order referred to in subsection 1 may contain such incidental, consequential, and supplemental provisions as may, in the opinion of the registrar, be necessary to give effect to the amalgamation, division, or reorganization. Every member or creditor of or other personnel interested in each of the societies to be amalgamated, divided, or reorganized who has objected to the scheme of amalgamation, division, or reorganization within the period specified shall be entitled to receive on the issue of the order of amalgamation, division, or reorganization his share of interest if he be a member, and the amount in satisfaction of his dues if he be a creditor. On the issue of an order under subsection 1, the provisions in subsection 2, 3, and 4 of section 17 shall apply to the societies so amalgamated, divided, or reorganized as if they were amalgamated, divided, or reorganized under the section, and to the society amalgamated, divided, or reorganized. Nothing contained in this section shall apply for the amalgamation of 2 or more cooperative banks or 2 or more primary agricultural credit societies. The procedure in that behalf is detailed in Rule 17 of the Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Rule 1961, herein referred to as the rules, which is as under. Direction by registrar for amalgamation, division, and reorganization of societies. Before issuing any order under subsection 1 of section 18 providing for the amalgamation, division, or reorganization of any society or societies, the registrar shall prepare a draft scheme in respect of such amalgamation, division, or reorganization, stating in particular the manner in which the new committee or committees of the society or societies resulting from such amalgamation, conversion, or reorganization shall be constituted, and the bylaws which such society or societies shall follow. Stop.